Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. I'm so glad you're here. I'm showing you a painting that is for the auction for the California Fire Foundation, sponsored by Fluid Art Co. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this piece. The auction is going to be February 1st and 2nd online. And all of the artwork is all the proceeds from the artwork is going to be donated to fire relief for the horrible fires that have been happening in California. So this is just a way for us to help out and also to connect with each other as artists. It's very healing. I mean, this has been a really traumatic event. I've felt it really deeply, and what better way than to use a creative outlet to help internally and externally. So kind of the concept here is I did a really fiery background and wanted to kind of flood the canvas with like healing color. So that is the idea behind this piece, and I'll get you into my studio and show you the colors I'm going to be working with. And please join us for the auction online. There'll be links, all the information's in the description of this video. So thank you for being here. I appreciate it, and stay till the end. I'll show you the dried results and we'll talk soon. Okay, much love. So here's the colors. That's a beigey pink satin enamel color and TriArt golden yellow. And that's a purely pigment Aztec yellow. It's really vibrant. And then I've got transparent red oxide, titanium white, and iridescent gold fine. Those are golden high flow colors. And I missed the recording of this part. I apologize, but here's the wet results from the first layer. I kind of got excited and just started painting. Anyways, that's how that section turned out. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to do a fluid pearl translucent painting on top. And I'm just going to show you the colors for the translucent pearl painting, and then put some music on, and just I hope you enjoy this. Please join us for the auction on February 1st and 2nd online. And thank you for your support. I love this painting. I hope you enjoy it, and stay till the end. I'll show you how it turned out, and enjoy. All right, much love.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do 'cause I love you.